riwore kod jolweny e chenro mar KDF madhi nyime alap ma Kenyatta. Kanal Njoroge Ng'ang'a mar KDF olero ni rowere maromo 284 ne ochopo mar manyo thuolo. Kanal Ng'ang'a nomedo ni yiero mar ojendego ne otim maonge mibadhi moro amora ka duol marango weche mibadhi pacho ka EACC kod okwach kich ne onono chenrono.
The Kenya Defence Forces is committed to conduct a free and fair recruitment drive, free of bribery. And if for any reason, even here as we continue with this exercise, any of the youth or a parent or a citizen for that matter, and feel that there is a misconduct issue, we are embedded with us, members from the EACC and members from the National Intelligence Service and also the area police. We kindly request that such kind of an issue of a misconduct be reported promptly and action will be taken against anybody who will have committed